Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about reacting multi-phase interfoam. This particular solver is significantly different than the intercondensating evaporating foam. In that particular solver, we were solving a temperature equation as also done in this particular solver, but there we can only perform evaporation or condensation. If there is something like petroleum or water that can evaporate and become its vapor, and that is only governed by the saturation temperature only. But here in icoreactive multi-phase interfoam, you have various criteria that you can set to perform the mass transfer from one phase to another phase. Let's talk about this.
Thanks for watching, and if you like the content of our channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.